Hello students, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. In previous video lecture we have discussed about Mendeleev's periodic table. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about merits. Merits means what? Advantages. Advantages. What are the advantages of Mendeleev's periodic table? You know, science has the fluency, science has that elasticity that whenever it requires some changes, so we are able to do the certain changes in that. Same periodic table is also the same concept which came from the science branch of chemistry. In that also we have studied these property, that is we have studied the properties of element. Why we have to add them as per their properties? Because of we have to study the each and every property of different element, because each and every element has its own different properties. That's what we have to study it differently. So first of all Newland came, afterwards law of octave came, means law of octave, Newland came, law of octave is given. Before that also one scientist is there who has discovered this, and you know, we have seen these phenomenons. As per whenever the time passes, at that time newly forms or new elements start discovering. Because of that discovery we have to know, that is what is means exactly the meaning, exactly the thing, exactly the importance to arrange these elements as per their accordance. You know, in previous video lecture I'll ask you one question, that is in before 18th century how many elements were discovered? So answer is 30, and the Santosh Pawar sir give me correct answer of this question, that is total 30 elements were found. So today we are going to discuss about next properties, that is merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. You know, before Mendeleev's periodic table some of elements were discovered, and at that time also Mendeleev gives some enhanced properties of these elements. There are total 30 elements were discovered, and in that 30 element he started doing his research on the basis of these 30 element, and he concluded that first of all, in previous video lecture, if you have not seen that lecture, so you just see the link is right now over here, the link is here, you have to click the link and watch the video till the end, and whatever the doubts are there you have to ask me. Okay, so previously we have seen the merits, the periodic Mendeleev's periodic table. Today we are going to discuss about merits of Mendeleev's periodic table, and in next lecture we are going to discuss about demerits, means disadvantages of Mendeleev's periodic table. So right now first merit was first merit, सबसे पहला merit Mendeleev का, what was that? He arranged these elements as per their increasing order of their atomic masses. Means those who are having lesser atomic mass he placed earlier, those who are having greater atomic mass he placed later on. In that also he has concluded that all the elements which are shows exactly similar property, he kept them in a single row, in a single column, and those are having different properties, so he kept in a row. In that also he kept some vacant spaces. For which reason he has kept these spaces vacant? Right now you are able to see the Mendeleev periodic table. Are you able to see or not? Right now you are able to see the Mendeleev's periodic table. In that some of elements are, some of spaces are, after some of element some spaces are vacant. So why so these things were happen? Because of Mendeleev has to infer, that is afterwards whenever the discoveries take place, whenever the newly elements are formed, at that time we have this adjustment to place these elements as per their accordance in that empty box. If there is no space in that box, so what exactly happens? Because of there is no vacant space, which means there is a full field vacancies are there, and if another element get discovered, so where we have to keep these elements? You know, for example you have 3 glasses which are full of water. आपके पास 3 ग्लास है जो कि फुल्ली वाटर है, अब चौथा और एक ग्लास आपके पास पानी का आ रहा है, मतलब और एक जग भर के आपके पास पानी आ रहा है, अब उसको कहाँ पे रखोगे आप? तो उसके लिए आपने क्या किया, पहले ही 3 की जगह पे 5 ग्लास ले लिए, उसमें से 3 भर के लिए और 2 एम्प्टी ले लिए, जो बाद में समझो बाद में अगर वाटर आता भी है तो बचे वाले 2 जो एम्प्टी ग्लासेस में है उसमें आप उसको क्या कर सको, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सको. नेक्स्ट, सो नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ फिर? देन एम्प्टी ग्लासेस में तो आप वाटर फुलफिल कर सकते हो, तो विच मीन्स इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू to adjust all the new discoveries as per their accordance. You can adjust them. That's why we have used Mendelev's periodic table is as one of its own merit. ये पहला मेरिट हुआ कि उसने क्या किया, मैं हिंदी में आपको बता देता हूँ. ये उसका पहला मेरिट हुआ कि उसने क्या किया, एम्प्टी स्पेस वैकेंट छोड़े. किस लिए ये स्पेस वैकेंट छोड़े? ताकि अगर न्यू डिस्कवरी होती है तो आप उसमें उस वैकेंट स्पेसेस में क्या कर सको, इस एलिमेंट्स को प्लेस कर सको. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट इट्स फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द सम एलिमेंट्स वेयर revise after its discovery. Some of elements get revised. In that also we have taken one example. अगर हम लोग उसका means what we can say that their properties place in the periodic table in the according with their properties. For example, in previous determination atomic mass of beryllium is 14.09, but after some discovery, means after Mendelev's periodic table, it conclude that the atomic mass of beryllium is 9.4, which is exactly different than that of this. There is a huge difference between this, means near about 5 numbers of difference is there. So that's what it is more convenient, means Mendeleev gives an exactly the same amount. In that also he has given one example also I have taken, but we will discuss this later on. First of all we have to do this thing, and in that also what happened in previous conclusion, boron kept it first and after beryllium kept. But right now, sorry, beryllium kept first and boron kept later on, and now right now beryllium was placed before boron. Now beryllium is placed in periodic table before boron. Because of this discovery we can conclude it that because of this Mendelev's discovery it is also merit. Because देखो ना, पहले क्या था, बेरिलियम का एटॉमिक मास जो था पहले की स्टडी के हिसाब से 14.09 दिया गया था, लेकिन एक्चुअल स्टडी से ये कंक्लूड किया गया अभी के रिसेंटली के तहत क्या किया गया कि उसका बेरिलियम का क्या है 9.4, और पहले क्या था, बेरिलियम जो था बोरॉन के मतलब बाद में था, बोरॉन पहले था. अब यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही हुआ है, बोरॉन को क्या किया गया है, बेरिलियम को क्या किया गया है, अभी बोरॉन से पहले प्लेस किया गया है. पहले बोरॉन पहले था, बाद में बेरिलियम था, अभी बेरिलियम पहले बाद में बोरॉन है. ठीक है, ये तो उसका फर्स्ट सेकंड मेरिट हो गया. अब उसके सेकंड नेक्स्ट मेरिट के बारे में देखते हैं, जो कि हम लोग पहले देख चुके हैं कि मेंडेलीव ने क्या किया था, कुछ एक प्लेसेस को वैकेंट छोड़ा था. क्यों वैकेंट छोड़ा था, कुछ ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया था क्या? नहीं. आफ्टरवर्ड्स इफ सम डिस्कवरीज टेक प्लेस एट दैट टाइम we have this extension to keep this newly formed element in that vacant space. Right now you are able to see on the screen also. अभी दिख रहा है आपको, समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको, आपने पहले भी देखा है और अभी भी आपको दिख रहा है कि देखो कुछ एक एलिमेंट के बाद में यहाँ पे क्या है, जो है वैकेंट स्पेस छोड़ा गया है. ये इसीलिए क्योंकि न्यूली फॉर्म जो न्यूली डिस्कवर एलिमेंट रहेंगे ये सारे इन वैकेंट ब्लॉक्स को क्या करेंगे, भर देंगे. नेक्स्ट, अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ मालूम है, ये तो हुआ, उसने बाद में क्या किया, दैट इज मेंडेलीव ने ये तो डिस्कवरी कर दी थी, ये पूरा उसने बता दिया था. नेक्स्ट वर्ड उसने क्या बताया कि Mendeleev kept vacant place in the periodic table and he were given the name Eka boron, Eka aluminium, Eka boron, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. These names were given by the Mendeleev. बट राइट नाउ ऐसा है क्या? नहीं, अभी हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, इसको चेंज कर दिया है. हम लोग इक्का बोरॉन की जगह पे हम लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं, इक्का बोरॉन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सोडियम, नेक्स्ट गैलियम एंड लास्ट में बोलते हैं हम लोग गर्मेनियम. यही जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ है, ये जो डिस्कवरीज है, ये मेंडेलीव के पीरियोडिक टेबल की वजह से हुई. अब इसमें हम लोग देखते हैं कि एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं और उसके हिसाब से हम लोग एक्चुअल रिसेंटली प्रेजेंट का और बाद वाला हम लोग ये जो है मेंडेलीव के प्रॉपर्टीज़ डीमेरिट्स को हम लोग स्टडी करते हैं. अभी आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख पा रहे हैं, एक टेबल दिखाई दे रहा है, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ना ये टेबल. इसी टेबल में ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज दिए वाली है. यू मस्ट हैव टू पॉज द वीडियो एंड राइट डाउन दिस टेबल ऑन योर नोटबुक. यू हैव टू मेंशन दिस इन योर मेन एग्जामिनेशन टू. नेक्स्ट, नाउ properties. First of all, we have seen the properties which given by the Mendeleev, actually given by the Mendeleev, and right now the properties which we have studied right now. In that first property is atomic mass of gallium. In previously we called as Ika aluminium, Ika boron or Ika germanium, like that we have said. But right now Ika aluminium, we are going to discuss about only one property. So see, Ica aluminium, gallium. Right now the name of that element is gallium, which is indicated by Ga, which is actually present right now. Next, atomic mass given by Mendeleev is 68, and right now it is considered to be as 69.7, which is approximately equals to each other. 16.8 and nothing but the 69.7, which are nothing but the exactly means near about approximately equals to each other. Next, density given by Mendeleev is 5.9, and right now actual density of gallium is 5.94. because of this development of science we have studied, but in that 1860 and 1872, in that period 1868 to 1872, in that period Mendeleev discovered this phenomenon. And you know, right now so we are so much familiar about these type of technologies. Right now whatever we wanted to do, we will get the technology. With any collaboration we need the technology, but in that pace, in that field right now, in that era 18, there was not development, that much technology was not developed, but still they have given some conclusion, and these conclusions are exactly equals to each other. Next, density which is given by Mendeleev is 5.9 and actual is 5.94, which is exactly approximately 5.9 only. Next, melting point. Mendeleev said that Mendeleev does not means give any particular figure for this, but he said that melting point of aluminium is low, which is actually 30.2, which is right now to our surrounding temperature is exceed more than 30 degrees Celsius. Formula of chloride: when these Ica aluminium react with chloride, so it gives ECl3. Right now actually we just replace this E by Ga of its original name, that is GaCl3 as it is. Next, formula of oxide E2O3. Right now also E only replaced by its original name, that is Ga2O3. Okay. Next, nature of oxide, that is amphoteric in oxide, and these right now also we are considered in amphoteric oxide in nature. So these are nothing but the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. So I hope you enjoy this phenomenon. If you have any doubt regarding to this, so you have to tell me in the comment box which is given below. Whatever doubts are there, you have to just let me know in the comment box, write down in the comment box. Otherwise subscribe my channel, because whenever I'll upload the video, you will get the notification. Whenever I upload the video, you have to subscribe my channel and turn on that bell notification. So I hope you understand this phenomenon. If you have a doubt, so you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.